a whole family of electromagnetic waves. These waves have several features in common. For example, they can travel through a vacuum, for example, space itself. They travel through a vacuum at a speed of 300,000 kilometers per second. This is usually called the speed of light, although it is the speed of all electromagnetic waves. They are transverse waves. Their oscillations are at right angles to the direction of travel. It is electric and magnetic fields that are oscillating, not the material. They transfer energy. A source loses energy when it radiates electromagnetic waves. A material gains energy when it absorbs them. The full range of electromagnetic waves is called the electromagnetic spectrum. In this spectrum, we see a lot of interesting things. For example, the range of the wavelengths is huge. At one end, we have the largest radio waves with wavelengths of several kilometers. At the other end, we have the shortest gamma rays with wavelengths of less than 1 billionth of a millimeter. All matter is made of atoms. Atoms are themselves made up of a central nucleus with tiny particles called electrons orbiting around it. The nucleus and the electrons are electrically charged. Sometimes electrons can escape from their atoms. For example, when an electrical current passes through a wire, the current is a flow of free electrons. Electromagnetic waves are emitted or sent out whenever charged particles oscillate or lose energy in some way. For example, the vibrating atoms in a hot, glowing bulb filament emit infrared and light. And an oscillating electrical current emits radio waves. The higher the frequency of oscillation or the greater the energy change, the shorter the wavelength of the electromagnetic wave produced.